working in the warehouse trying to get everything organized and put into boxes so that we could find everything, and it happened. And it happened today, and it was all my fault. I'm gonna walk you through it. So we're organizing. We got everything on these big giant shelves with rollers. We can roll them around. I didn't notice that one of the boxes got caught on the ceiling, and it knocked over all these vintage statues. My husband almost divorced me over this, y'all. It's bad. It's real bad. So these really cool statues are just now in pieces. He's missing the whole side of his head. He had a really bad day. Not as bad as my day, but he had a really bad day. And all of these, it's a whole box worth, not just one or two. It's all of them. They were all signed. There's more pieces falling off. Broken. So, let's see, what did I learn? So, number one, when you're working in the warehouse, you should really have more than one person out there helping. Otherwise, you're going to have catastrophes like this one. Thank goodness we hadn't had any bids on these yet. They're so cool. My heart is just broken. Isn't that sad, y'all? Look at that. Anyway, we had won these in an auction. Actually, my husband did. And he was so excited to get them in. And then for this to happen, I'm guessing this is his head. It goes on there. Yeah, it's really bad. It's terrible. You know, you're gonna either laugh or cry, and I guess I'm just gonna laugh. This is just terrible. And then this guy, I mean, his whole foot, his whole leg is gone. It just breaks my heart. But we had the whole set, and now we still have the whole set, but we have it in pieces. So my little tip to you is going to be that whenever you go to store your items, that you wrap them in bubble wrap before you put them up, and then whenever you are moving stuff around, that you're a little more careful, paying attention. Like I said, I just happened to not, well, I checked on the side that I was moving, but I didn't notice that next to it, when that box tipped over, it hit this box, and it was just a domino effect. The whole thing just fell off the shelf. So anyway, I am sharing this with you so that hopefully you'll be a little smarter than I am, and make sure that you don't just use paper to wrap them when you're putting them in storage before you ship them. Go ahead and wrap them bad boys up in bubble wrap. Get a big thing of bubble wrap and wrap them really good. So if that was to ever happen again and they were to fall, they just bounce around in that bubble wrap, and it wouldn't cost you a pretty penny like this is gonna cost me. So anyway, good luck wrapping all your breakables. We'll see you later. Bye.